want to change your WhatsApp number? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your WhatsApp number. The first thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap on settings. Once you get here, you want to tap on the account option. Now you will find different options here. Go ahead and tap on change number, then tap on next. Now your old number will be shown at the top. Go ahead and enter your new number over here. Then tap on next. Now if you want to share your new number with your contacts, toggle on this option. Then you can select all contacts I have chats with, or custom. I'm going to toggle this option off. Now go ahead and tap on the done option. WhatsApp will send an SMS to your new number. Enter the 6-digit verification code you receive. Once verified, your account info, which includes profile, group settings and chat history, moves to your new number. And that's all. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.